G'day! We're from Blue Key in Australia and we're a product development house.
We develop a range of products and we have chosen POE for our manufacturing needs.
POE has been an essential part of our business strategy, providing not only PCB and prototyping services, but full turnkey production from assembly, testing, quality assurance and packaging, and the ability to ship globally to our global customer base.
Thank you to the entire POE team for their continued support over the years.
And here's to many more to come.
Hello, my name is Volker. I develop electronics here in Australia, and in the past I have done all the reflow soldering myself, and it took a long time. But now POE Electronics is doing this for me, and they're doing a great job. I just send them an email and the Gerber files, and they get the components in China, and then they reflow solder everything and they just ship it to me. It works very well, and I can recommend working with them. Thanks very much.
Hi, my name is Antonio Alarcón from Instead Technologies from Spain. We want to thank to POE Electronics and especially to Alina for her great job with this PCB. They look fantastic and they work correctly. Thanks Alina and thanks to POE Electronics.